Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new email on your Asana account. To do that, go ahead and click your profile in the upper right, then click End Profile here. Click on Edit Profile, then go to Account. If you scroll on a bit, you'll have the option to add a new email. Click on Add. It's going to ask to re-authenticate you. Simple, choose that. And you want to go ahead and sign in. So I'm going to sign in once again with my account. It's going to load me back into that section here, and the authentication process is done. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add again. And as you can see, I can add a new email. So I'm going to just simple type in an email right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click Add. And as you can see, a verification link has been sent to that new email. Now, for the purpose of security, I'm going to just quickly access that email. The Asana email should be there. And I'm going to just simply click there on my email. I'm going to show you what that actually looks like. So it looks like this, guys. And I'm going to just simply go ahead and click on Add Email in that account. And it's going to ask me to continue with my email. So I'm going to do the same there, going through the same steps. Just basically accept your email like when you create an account. And you can see right here what it's currently doing. I'm going to actually show you right here. As you can see, basically I say that I need to create an account here. So I can go ahead and say set up, for example, with Google, select the account. And as you can see, it's currently loading right into Asana. I'm going to go back there for a moment and just do a quick refresh to see if that is completed, or I need to go through the entire process. So let me go back into my account once more, profile, edit profile, account. And as you can see right there, the email is there, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and check, and you can see that it says continue and so forth. So the email is there, guys. I'm gonna just quickly click on some few stuff right here and kind of make my way through to the account, right? It says invite somebody. I'm gonna just say continue. And as you can see, it is done, right? So the Asana account is created. So right here, it is done, and you can see that I've added the second email into Asana. So let me go back into edit profile. So the account is there. Now that that is done, guys, you can see that the email is added. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.